Human life is precious regardless of nationality, race, or religion. ACCESSBIO, established in 2002, is committed to saving people's lives and instilling hope around the world through accurate and early diagnosis of diseases. We have built up an extensive customer network, including international organizations such as the WHO, UNICEF, and Médecins Sans Frontières. Since our enlisting in the Korean Stock Exchange in May 2013, we also have focused on expanding our presence in the global market by establishing subsidiaries in Korea and Ethiopia. As a leading comprehensive manufacturer of in vitro diagnostics, we have gained in-depth expertise in immunochemical, biochemical, and molecular diagnostic technologies, utilizing its HST technology. ACCESSBIO has supplied malaria RDTs to many corners of the world and achieved more than 30% of the market share, fortifying our leading position in the global market because CareStart malaria RDTs are fast, sensitive, and accurate. About 3.4 billion people, nearly half of the world's population, are at risk of malaria infection, and it is one of the 3 major infectious diseases in the world which killed more than 600,000 people in 2013 alone. Although about 1 billion patients are suspected of malaria infection each year, only 20% of them are properly diagnosed. As more malaria parasites are becoming resistant to anti-malarial drugs, the WHO recommends to prescribe anti-malarials to diagnosed patients only. These vast unmet needs for malaria diagnosis suggest that the global demand for malaria RDTs will continue to grow. In the field of biochemical diagnostics, ACCESSBIO has developed the world's first G6PD deficiency screening test, making inroads into the new blue ocean markets. G6PD deficiency is a hereditary disease, and about 350 million people in the world, accounting for about 5% of the population, suffer from it. G6PD deficiency causes the destruction of red blood cells and acute hemolytic anemia, resulting from taking certain drugs including anti-malarial medicines or food with high levels of oxidative stress. Therefore, the WHO has recommended taking G6PD deficiency screening tests for safe use of a certain anti-malarial drugs. Also, in countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Panama, and Middle East countries where G6PD deficiency is prevalent, there is an increasing demand for the screening tests as mandated by the governments, and the market is estimated to be $400 million for combining malaria patients and newborns. ACCESSBIO is the first to commercialize G6PD deficiency tests that are accurate and cost-effective. In the field of molecular diagnostics, we are making steady progress in the development and commercialization of HPV, leukemia, CAH, and KIR tests based on our unique multiplex technology. About 1 billion people are infected with HPV worldwide, particularly in Africa and South and Central America. ACCESSBIO's HPV test has been certified to have 97% specificity by the WHO DNA proficiency test in 2010. Our HPV tests can be customized to meet various needs of individual markets. From immunochemical to molecular diagnostics, we have developed all the technologies by our own R&D and are expanding our product pipeline to include not only infectious diseases such as strep A, dengue, and influenza A and B, but also the diagnosis of animal diseases such as swine flu and biosensors with information technology. In addition, we are bridging the gap between diagnosis and treatment through close collaboration with international organizations and global pharmaceutical companies to ensure further growth in the global companion diagnostic market. believing the basic principles of cherishing life and health for all people. ACCESSBIO will continue its dedication to the prevention and early diagnosis of diseases and help save lives across the globe.